Hello and welcome to BFE's first video. Today we're going to build this grate. Barbecue. Alright, let's get at it. I always like to dry make sure they fit before I weld them out, so I don't have to do a whole lot of rework. I don't know how well you can see that, but ahead of time before fitting this up, I put a small bevel on everything. That'll help with some extra penetration and keeping my tacks near flush. Alright, so we got the grate welded up. I gotta do some finishing touches. I'm gonna put these little tabs in here so when I pull out the grate, I can slide it out and it won't fall over. But I don't want it to be too tight. So I'm gonna use this piece of gasket material here. Got this gasket material here. It's about 55,000, so a little under 16. So I think that'll work out real good. When I weld these up, because of where the fillet weld is, it's naturally going to pull that clip up. So I've got a C-clamp on there, just snug, just to stop it from pulling up when it shrinks. Okay, I got the handle. So I get a nice handle to pull it in and out with. Sometimes I find it easier just to use a set of bolt cutters than the saw. Okay, super simple handle. I'm trying to mark the spots already. You can see that. I'm just gonna throw it on the vise here, line them up, give it a whack with the hammer. Hope everything doesn't fall down off the shelves above me. Now this one I'm going to try and hammer it square. If not, I can always twist it out. I'll bent that just a hair. Get that out. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm gonna weld that handle on. Make sure your gas is on. Now this grill sits in a little bit, about a 1/4 inch, so when I put my handle on, I'm gonna put it up straight. Well, when you do yours, if your grill comes right up to the edge, you might need to kick it back in a little bit of an angle because the lip on your barbecue might smack into it. She's all done. I think she looks great. No pun intended. Please like and subscribe, and I'll try and get some more videos. Thanks for watching.